So I've been with Bagel since the inception. We started with an idea, and then it evolved into this concept of being CEO. And it's really heartening to see that we've not abandoned that theme. Year on year, we return to that same theme. And staying true to that theme, we have evolved from a community, which maybe from the outside people may feel it's a place to network, but it's evolving into a very strong ecosystem of people who are journeying together, understanding each other's aspiration, and then helping each other bridge the gap between that aspiration and sustained growth. So it's really a community that's becoming a space to think, to expand that self belief and confidence. And during this journey, which is, I think, close to 3 years now, there have been moments where perhaps each one of us would have gone through, uh, you know, a high in terms of our enthusiasm levels to participate, to contribute, and then a low. But I think the beauty of it is that we've all stayed in the game and supported each other, pulled each other, into the center in very different ways. It could be holding each other accountable, it could be checking in on each other, it could be inspiring each other. And I'm really excited to see where this goes, because with every conference, I'm seeing how we are going deeper. The beauty is that all of us are giving it the time that it requires, understanding that it's a being CEO ready is a journey and not a destination that you reach in one iteration. And I see that with each year, uh, that we go around the circle, the circumference is shrinking, and I can see us getting closer. Great to be here.